In today's video, I will show you behind the scenes of a maternity shoot. I will show you how I photograph the mom and what posing guidance do I give to her, and also how I lit my maternity session. Not all my poses are lit in the same way, but one of the poses is where my light is on the side, and then I give the direction to mom how to pose. Also, you'll have some tips on how to pose her safely, because remember, moms, they have lots of blood going through their body, and safety is more important than anything. So let's get started.
Hi guys! We are not sure if we are live, so I will just explain you a little bit how I will pose her. So she's a little bit shy, bear with me, but she's beautiful. Look at her, and she has an amazing daughter right there, and a beautiful boy coming soon. So I will tell her how to pose. Jessica will hold the camera on her, and she will imitate me and see how we go. Perfect. So I like how she holds her hands, which is good, but a little bit more relaxed under the tummy. Perfect. And then what we do with the legs, you'll have to turn the one closer to the light and push it up high. Yes. So in this way you can see that her foot comes like an S shape. We fix her dress a bit so we can see the shape. Fingers together. And now this is where she can look down around her tummy and close your eyes. So look how beautiful she already looks. The lights come straight onto her face. She's connected with the baby, and she has a beautiful shape in her leg. So it's all about the shape and the tummy. So that's good. And she looks happy. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Stay there, love. I just need to check my settings. Oops, I forgot to change my speed to the other one. Perfect. One more time. Alright. Turn towards the light a bit. Yeah. But push me this leg now. Let's see that leg. Perfect. And push this hand underneath, and let's over the top. And now look straight into the light.
It will be
down.
probably
Look
after
down
lunch.
this way.
That will be energy drinks, okay?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. That will be energy
Just change your hair a bit.
You sure it's like
Okay,
a
more
extra
volume.
with you this morning?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Oh, I thought you took it with you. Alright. Okay, well, I'll adjust the first one first.
Close your eyes. Breathe in.
Okay, thanks.
And lift, pull those from the core. Yeah, that's it. Push it back. Breathe in and look down. Amazing. Well done. And we go back so I have more better. Stay there. Just going one more time. Landscape. Beautiful. Relax a bit. Let's put the flowers and then I'll give it to you, Jess.
Thank you.
Stay there. What I need, sorry, it's my light is too close to the, and my background was too lit. So let's do it one more time. Go down again. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Beautiful. Stay there. Now I'm coming closer. Beautiful. relax the leg, chillax back, go back onto your both legs. The trick with maternity, and you have to be careful, is that once that she stays too long in this pose with the leg lifted up, she gets tired. And remember, she has a weight here. So you have to tell your mom, relax. When you feel a little bit dizzy, we stop, breathe, water, and then you go back into the pose and you start again. So don't wait and push your mom to the limits. Better to stop between, relax, and you go back to the leg. So you do slow movements and you go after the mom and not mom after you. So that's it for today, because we have a long day. So Victoria here, see you later guys, many kisses, bye.
What I wanted to put in some images from the shoot. As you'll see, I've done 2 setups with her, and you will see also the posing. The light was sitting in the same place, and let's go through. You can see before and after. So that was the first image. We added some flowers. Now I shoot raw, and then in post-production I make my images with my own presets, a little bit more warmer and more moody tones. You will see lots of posing, looking straight at the camera, a little bit of crop, the smiling, looking down at the belly. This is another pose which I love. And then we moved on the white. I like my white, again, like I said, creamy. These are raw images, so no edit in this ones. But what I will show you, I will go and show you right now a finished image. And as you'll see here, this is a finished image. And if we go into history, let's do a screenshot, you will be able to see where we started and how we ended up. Now I need to do a little bit of editing on here on the backdrop, but that's not a biggie. And this is one of my favorite images. I love this kind of plants. Yeah, so these were the images from the session. To make sure watching this video is the fact that I always put mom first. She can't stay too long on her tippy toes because she will get dizzy. All moms, they get dizzy because having a bump can unbalance you a little bit, and all the hormones and the rush, so sometimes they can get dizzy. So that's why I always tell moms, please, if you can't hold that leg up, take your time, leave it down, relax, breathe, and then lift it up, and I will go and start shooting after you, and you don't have to wait after me. Also, during the session, make sure that you have plenty of water. Give them water. If they are too hot, put some air conditioner in the studio or a fan to cool off a little bit of all that hotness and energy going around. And take breaks if you have to, because it's more important to go at a slow pace instead of fast, and then she will be totally drained by the end of the session. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You've seen my light, how I position, you've seen my directional and direction how to pose her, and also please don't forget, subscribe, share this video, all that shambo mambo, and write in the comments below what exactly would you like to see next. I will put more video. I have hundreds of video shots on my hard drives. I just need the time to bring them to you. So see you in the next video. Bye.